How to know who viewed your featured collections on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll be discussing about whether it is possible to see who viewed your featured collections on Facebook. First of all, you need to open the Facebook application, log into your account, and then tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Go to your profile, scroll down, and find the featured collection that you want to check. Tap the arrow icon in the bottom. And here you will see the list of people who viewed that collection, including both friends and non friends. Scroll down to see the full list of viewers. If you see viewers who aren't your Facebook friends, it means someone who follows you or a stranger visited your profile and viewed your featured collection. But in order to see their name, they must react to the story or your featured collection while they visit their profile. Otherwise, you will see the total number of the people that who viewed your featured collection. And in the section of others, it means that the two people who are not your friend also viewed your featured collection on your Facebook profile. So that's it for the video. This is how you can know who viewed your featured collections on Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.